Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to pin or freeze elements to the screen on your mobile site using Wix. This simple trick will make your site's navigation so much smoother for your visitors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to keep your menu bar visible at all times on mobile devices, making it easier for your users to get around, no matter how far they scroll. Alright, let's dive right in. The first step is to head over to your Wix website design. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have your site open in the editor. If you haven't worked in the Wix editor before, it's a good idea to take a moment and just look around. Everything is pretty intuitive, but knowing where things are will save you headaches down the line. Next, look for the option to switch into mobile mode. You'll usually find a mobile icon or tab at the top of the editor. What switching into mobile mode does is it changes the preview and editing view so that what you're working on is specifically optimized for smartphones and other smaller screens. Trust me, even if your desktop site looks perfect, things can shift a bit on mobile, so this is an important step. Just click on mobile mode and give it a second to load the mobile view. Now, once you're in mobile mode, let's make sure you can see all the tools you might need. Up at the top right, you'll see an option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click that. You want to enable the toolbars. It's just a simple checkbox or toggle, and it might say something like Show Toolbars. This will make sure you have quick access to design features that help you move things around, align elements, and generally make life easier in the editor. If you don't see the right tools, don't worry. Just double-check that you're still in mobile mode and that toolbars are enabled. Sometimes it takes a moment for them to appear. With your toolbars showing, it's time to select the menu bar, or in many cases on mobile, the little mobile menu icon, often called the hamburger menu because it looks like 3 stacked lines. Just click on the menu bar element in your mobile layout. Once it's selected, look through the options for something called Freeze Position. This is the key setting that lets you pin the menu bar in place so it stays at the top of the screen, no matter how far a visitor scrolls down your site. It usually appears in the Settings panel to the right. If you can't find Freeze Position right away, try checking under Position or Layout Settings. You'll see a little switch or checkbox for this feature. Just enable it. What this does is locks the menu bar to the top so it follows users as they scroll, which is much more user-friendly and feels like native apps that keep navigation always accessible. Here's a tip. After you enable freeze position, take a moment to test the functionality. Use the preview mode or just scroll down the page in the editor. You'll see your menu bar stays put at the top, following you as you go. This is exactly what we want. It makes your site feel polished and easy to use, no matter what content your visitors are exploring. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to pin any element like the menu bar so it stays in view on your Wix mobile site. This tiny tweak can make a huge difference in your site's usability and professional feel. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or if there's another Wix feature you want to learn about, drop a comment below. And if you want to see more easy-to-follow guides like this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.